Hey guys, today we're comparing the Wheeler Superbump and the factory Bumpstops to show you how any rig from stock to heavily modified can benefit from the Wheeler Superbump. Just got done testing the factory bump stops. There were some harsh bottom outs, so we're going to head back to the shop, get the Wheeler Superbump installed, and show you how it can eliminate those harsh bottom outs. Now that we're back at the shop, we're ready to swap out the factory bump stops for the Wheeler Superbump. Since this is going on a stock suspension, we don't need to worry about any of the Superbump spacers. Those are generally only needed if you're running more than 2 inches of lift, a larger tire, or a larger coilover body. As you can see, removing the factory bump stop is a relatively easy process. Some applications are going to have 2 bump stops, one in the front and one in the rear. In this case, you're only going to want to replace the rear bump stop with the Wheeler Superbump. Now that we're done tightening the supplied mounting bolt with the supplied custom Allen wrench, all that's left to do is repeat the same process on the other side of the vehicle. To install the Wheeler Superbump on the rear of the vehicle, you're going to want to jack it up and set the axle down on jack stands. This way you can safely remove the factory U-bolts and factory bump stop. Once you've got the U-bolt snugged up, you're going to want to go ahead and cut the excess U-bolt about a ½ inch above the nut. After trimming off the excess U-bolt, you can now torque the U-bolts down to 90 foot-pounds. You're going to want to recheck this torque after 50 and 500 miles of driving. After torquing the U-bolts to 90 foot-pounds, if you have excess U-bolts sticking up above the nut, you can go ahead and trim this down again. We also offer a rear Superbump kit that works with the factory U-bolts. Now that we've got the first side done, we're going to repeat this process on the other side. Now that we're done with the install, we're going to go test the Wheeler Superbump to compare how they perform against the factory bump stops. Alright guys, we just got done testing the Wheeler Superbumps. As you can tell from the video, we were able to hit the bumps at a higher rate of speed. The ride quality inside the truck was improved. We are able to eliminate the harsh bottom outs due to the Superbump's progressive design. If you're looking for a product that can improve your ride on or off the trail, go ahead and check out the Wheeler Superbump.